Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dropship directly to customers on TikTok Shop. There's two ways to sell to customers on a TikTok Shop. The first is to actually have the products on hand, then list it to TikTok Shops, and then when you get the sale, you just ship it out with the TikTok label, just like you would with a normal e-commerce business. And the second is to dropship the product. Now, I personally dropship on many platforms, especially TikTok Shop, and there's actually two ways that you can effectively do this as well. So first and foremost is a simple method that I use on the sites like Pomark and OfferUp, where you actually need to use their labels to ship, and it's kind of dropshipping hybrid that I like to call dropship arbitrage. Essentially, it works like this. It's very simple. So you go ahead and you list the products from any website that will deliver to your house or to your apartment within 3 days. That way, on TikTok specifically, you can still ship it out with a TikTok label to customers, because on TikTok, you need to ship within 3 days, or at least have the logistic partner scan it in within 3 days. This is going to allow you all the benefits of drop shipping and the ability to list products before ever having to purchase them, and then only needing to order the product after you are already guaranteed the sale and the guaranteed the profit. It's a little bit more legwork, but if you're using the label for the platform, or specifically for like Poshmark or OfferUp, or if you have your shipping settings set up to use the TikTok label, then this is a more sustainable way to actually do it. Two examples of suppliers that this works well with are Amazon Prime and Walmart Plus, because they can deliver to most addresses within 1 to 3 days. And on TikTok Shop, like we covered, you need to ship out or have the shipping carrier scan the package in within 3 days of the order, or you can run the risk of them canceling the order on you, or you can actually drop ship directly to customers as well. And to do this, you simply need to change your shipping settings in the back end of your TikTok shop, so you can use your own label and your own tracking numbers when you get the order and not the TikTok label. This will allow you to see the customer's information and their address, which is something that's normally blurred out when you sign up normally and you don't change your shipping settings. And then you can drop ship the product directly to them, and then just input the tracking number that your supplier gives you into the TikTok order to change your shipping settings. In your TikTok shop, under the orders tab, just go to shipping option and then select seller shipping, and don't use the TikTok shipping. And that's how you can drop ship directly to customers on TikTok shops. Hope it helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.